Okay, you really couldn't find a better view. There's the Bears Ears. There's the Henry Mountains. That's looking north from my campsite. That is just amazing. This is just an awesome spot. So glad to be here. I needed to get out, and this is going to be an awesome night. In this episode of Beep Beep, Sleep in the Jeep, show you what we got going on here. There you just pop open the door, and bam, instant shelter. Yeah, I'm just sleeping in my Jeep because I actually never have. Thought it'd be a good idea. Got my carpet scrap from my shoes, and there's my chair in camp, and look at that view. That is unbelievable. Beep beep, sleep in the Jeep. Okay, can you believe that behind me? It's just, I can't even begin to tell you. Every year it seems like I find a better and better place to car camp. So this is pretty awesome, man. I'm on the top of a mesa, you know, a good couple of 1,000 feet up from the canyon floor behind me here. And just drove out this road to see where it went, and it had a little pull off. And I'm totally legal, legit camping here. And, you know, we got the Jeep over here. So, you know, we're happy to be here, man. I'm just thrilled to be out again, and seasons are changing once again. So you know, what was winter is now spring, and what was spring will be summer, right? And what a great day getting to see the petroglyphs there in Frucia, and then hiking Hickman Bridge and doing the loop out to the rim and getting a time lapse, and you know, then finding this spot. This trip has just been fantastic. So I'm gonna go enjoy myself for a little bit because I deserve that, because I've been cooped up all winter, and you know, with that behind me there, how could you not enjoy it? So we'll check in a little bit. Okay, great night last night. Awesome. Had a great night by the fire. Slept in the Jeep for the first time. I've actually never slept in my Jeep. I think I will bring a inflatable pad next time. There's some hardware on the back of the seats that was kind of getting into my hip a little bit. Nothing that was too outrageous. Just I think for a comfort level, if I do that again, I will definitely go ahead and bring an inflatable pad. But as you can see, gorgeous crystal clear day. Had to pee about 5 o'clock this morning, and the Milky Way was out, so I got a couple of shots of the Milky Way last night. So pretty awesome. So I'm going to head to the Post Corral trailhead. We're going to start a backpacking trip today down here in Capitol Reef National Park. But the camp trip has been awesome here, and I found a brand new camp spot, which I will definitely return to. So we'll check you in a little bit.